स्वामी मेरा सर्व कला बड़ाई प्रगट भई सगले युग अंतर गुरु नानक की वड्याई बेसुमार अथाह अगणित अतुल ज्यों बुलावो त्यों नानक दास बोले। वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। My honorable and respectable Gursikh siblings, today we are celebrating the birthday ceremony of Dr. Akal Jyot Kaur. So according to myself, this action is a very progressive. In other words, we can say that it is a sign of progressive thinking and high thinking, because we have celebrated birthday ceremony of daughter. According to the culture of Punjabi people and Indian people, so some few days ago we already celebrated the Lohri festival. My honorable listeners, you already know the Lohri festival is already related to the boys who have newborn boys. That people already celebrated this festival. But on the other hand, who have newborn daughters, they were not celebrated this festival. So it is a lack of narrow thinking. According to Gurbani, there is no difference between daughter and boy. All are equal. Guru Arjan Dev says that एक पिता एक इसके हम बालक. There is only one Almighty Father. We are all children of God. But this kind of narrow thinking is not be finished in this new era. You already know there are many developed countries like England, Canada, America. But meanwhile, 100 years ago, there was not equal right to the man or woman. So I request to try to sit in the presence of Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji with concentration of your mind. Don't make noise and kind of. So my honorable six siblings, I read a book written by English writer Dorothy Field. He says that in his book on the name of the Sikh religion, he tells us in the period of 10th Guru, the woman had gained the right of equality in India, because Guru Nanak was the first prophet in the world who had arisen the voice in the favor of women, is a right of equality of women. Furthermore, he says that the fifth Guru Arjan Dev Ji gave the equal right to the woman in his Gurban. So my honorable six siblings, you can easily judge, you can easily amazon from the Gurbani of Sri Guru Arjan Dev Ji. And on the other hand, 4 centuries ago, there was very famous writer and author in the Hinduism who was the contemporary of Guru Arjan Dev. He had written the biggest epic on the name of Ramayana, namely Tulsidas Goswami. He was very famous author. This epic already read on in the all Hindu temples. You can see easily. But his very famous poetic couplet, he says that in this couplet, he tells us, Tor, Gavar, Shudar, Pashnari, ये सब तारक की अधिकार. He compared the woman to the wildly animals. He said that unwise person, low caste people, wildly animal and woman, all are able for strict warning. Warning is necessary, essential for women like wild animal. So on the other hand, you can easily judge Sri Guru Arjan Dev Ji say that ये वाणी जो जियो जान है, जिसे अंतर रवै हर नामा, चौहां जुगा का हुन नवेड़ा नर मनुखा नु एक निधान. Manucha word is come from the Marathi language. It means woman. Nar means man. So Guru Arjan Dev Ji say that the treasure of Gurmani is common for men and women. Men and women can easily reading, writing and reciting as well as preaching of Gurbani. Both have equal right. In this way, 2 centuries ago, my honorable 6 siblings, the very famous writer of England country, he was become in the Romantic era, namely Ruskin. Ruskin was very famous philosopher. Someone asked to his a question, my honorable husband writer, how did you gain the biggest knowledge? He gave the answer, I gained the biggest knowledge and very prominent wisdom due to the teaching of my mother. That person asked furthermore question, what kind of theory the teaching of your mother? That time he gave the answer and made up a quotation, my mother came the Bible into my skin. It means he said that my mother remembered the Bible by through beating with stick. Through stick punishment, my mother remembered the Bible. 2 centuries ago in England. But on the other side, you listen, few minutes ago, the Shabad from the Ragi Jatha, Puta Mata ki Asis, Nimk na visro tumko har har, sada pajo jagdis. If we ask now the question to Sri Guru Arjan Dev Ji, O my honorable fifth Guru, our honorable fifth Guru Arjan Dev Ji, how did you gain the martyrdom? How did you compose the biggest treasure of Sri Guru Granth Sahib? Then Guru Arjan Dev Ji already gave us the answer. O my honorable devotees, I gave the martyrdom and made up the biggest treasure of Gurbani through the blessing of my mother. My mother, Pani, already blessed me many times. O my son, you may not forget the name of God for a moment. So Guru Arjan Dev Ji says that by the blessing of my mother, I gained the highest status in the spirituality. I achieved the martyrdom. So one side blessing and the other side through beating with stick. So you can judge easily. So Guru Nanak Dev Ji, who was the founder of the Sikhism, Guru Nanak Dev Ji gave the equal right to the women. Guru Ji said that so kyo manda akhiya jit jamai. Guru Ji said to those people who are doing the bad, criticize of women. Guru says that why do you call bad to women? Why do you call inferior to women? who is the mother of the all world. All are taken the birth from the womb of mother. So why do you say bad criticize? Why do you say? So Guru Nanak Dev Ji gave the equal right to the woman. So today we are celebrating the birthday ceremony of the Dr. Akal Jyot. So I want to say that it is a sign of progressive thinking and high thinking. According to Gurbani, boys and daughters are equal. We should not think difference between boys and daughters. So these kind of thoughts I try to tell you during this lecture. I have done many mistakes. Please pardon me, forgive me. Lastly, you speak out with a loudly voice. ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ।